This is super cool, guys, and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it.
Hey guys, so do you play the game Love Island? Well, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the game which will make you rich. So as you can see, I'm poor, but in the mod menu, I can actually enable unlimited tickets and gems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see if our tickets and gems start increasing or not. You can see right now they're pretty bad. I got 2,000 tickets, 890 gems, so that's really just not enough to buy much in this game. But hopefully it starts going up, and yeah, it's going up, yo! So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version for your device. Works on iOS and Android, so let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first thing we got to do, go to the browser and just go to tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this site, just type in Love Island, and then you just want to press install. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification step. This is just where you have to download like 2 apps, complete the instructions, 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So I'm just going to let it load up, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, this is super crazy. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So yeah, I'll just give it a second. So yeah, we just gotta download like 2 apps, and then you can see it says missing files, so you just need to complete the instructions. So like TikTok says download and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that one. Or I could do like, I don't know, Travel Town. This one you gotta reach level 9. Just make sure you download 2 of them. There's also like Facts from iPhone, where you gotta search something up in the App Store. But once you do that, you'll have the Love Island hack for your device, iOS and Android 2025. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, peace out, bro.